Hi, welcome to this demo presentation of the WordPress plugin CB Goliath. This is the easiest way to create profitable ClickBank affiliate blogs in less than 4 minutes. We are in the dashboard of a WordPress blog I set up a few minutes ago, and we are going to install the CB Goliath WordPress plugin. Go to Plugins, Add New, Upload, Browse, select CB Goliath, open, install now. Plugin installed successfully. Activate plugin, and you're going to see the CB Goliath tab right here on the left. Click it. This is the main admin area of CB Goliath. Here you can enter some keywords optionally. Here you can enter some negative keywords if you want to avoid a subject. For example, here you can enter bodybuilding, and here you can enter lose weight if you want to have a blog about building muscle. For now, let's not use any keywords at all. Let's just select a ClickBank category. Let's select, for example, health and fitness, ClickBank subcategory, exercise and fitness, sort results by gravity, sort results from high to low, language. Let's select English for now. Let's enter our ClickBank ID here. Let's say here we can append the tracking ID to all our affiliate links. For example, let's say blog 1 or whatever. We're going to schedule 15 posts per week. We could have chosen to publish all posts immediately as well. We're going to add up to 20 posts total and retrieve up to 500 words from the merchant's website. And we're going to generate all these new posts under the exercise and fitness category of our blog. If you want, you can click this link that says preview ClickBank results, and you will see which products are going to come back before you even schedule any new posts. And by the way, next to each function there's a help link, and if you click it, some helpful instructions will appear that give you some best practices for using the plugin. And basically we are ready. Let's click the schedule new posts button. Connecting, generating posts. CB Goliath is going to work. You will see that it fetched 49 merchants, which are more than the 20 we wanted. The reason the plugin does this is so that if data cannot be retrieved from a merchant's website for whatever reason, you will still get your 20 merchants. Finished. 20 posts added successfully. You will be able to see these posts under Posts, all posts. Here are all the posts that have been scheduled by CB Goliath. Let's go ahead and preview one of them. It says Kettlebell Burn, the ultimate kettlebell fat loss workout. Here's a screenshot from the merchant's website. Some text from the merchant's website. There's a read more link down here. If we click the thumbnail, it will take us to the ClickBank product. Looks good. Let's try and click the add to cart button, and at the very bottom we're going to see our affiliate ID ABCD1234. So everything is working great. If someone buys this product, you're going to get commissions up to 75%. Let me show you some more options that CB Goliath has. Display options. You can select to show a site thumbnail like we did right now. You can also change its dimensions. You can also select to show a button instead. You can write whatever you want in this button, like visit site or whatever. You can also select to upload a new button. For now, let's just leave the site thumbnail. You can select if you want the button or the thumbnail to be aligned on the left or on the right. And in these fields you can enter a new ClickBank ID or a new tracking ID if you change your IDs for whatever reason at some point, and all your scheduled posts will be updated automatically across your entire blog. You don't need to regenerate them. Here's what others say about CB Goliath. This is ClickBank auto blogging heaven. To my surprise, I have made one product sale of an niche related ClickBank product. Super easy to use, saves me a lot of time and work. On the 21st and 22nd I got sales. I recommend all CB marketers grab this baby now, and feel free to read all the testimonials on our website. CB Goliath has a 10 times your money back guarantee. Either it will help you make back in net profit at least 10 times the price you paid for the plugin, or otherwise just let us know within 60 days and you'll get a full refund. I'm that confident that it will work for you. There are two options for CB Goliath. There's the personal license and the developer's license. You can use the personal license on unlimited domains that you own, or you can get the developer's license if you want to sell blogs that have been built with CB Goliath, or if you want to install it on clients' blogs in order to create ClickBank affiliate posts for them automatically. You just click the Add to Cart button here and it will take you to PayPal. After your order comes through, you'll be taken to the download page that will look something like this. So, thanks for watching and talk soon.